Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow. I'm so glad you guys could join us today. We're back with Cameron.
Hi guys.
And so tonight, I just wanted Cameron to do my makeup so I don't have to do shit.
It's been a long time since I actually done like Halloween makeup on someone else.
I trust you.
I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. Maybe.
Oh, I still didn't. I can go run the clippers over it real quick.
I forgot I shut my phone off because it was being stupid. Apple, get your shit working.
In the lip color, oh my god, I actually didn't enjoy that lip
I love
stick.
it.
Now I'm gonna have to use it for something.
The favorite color that's like on my list right now is called fuck.
If I'm gonna do something good, it's gotta be planned out. Pennywise wasn't really planned out, but it happened, so yeah.
And another thing, we're drinking while we're doing
Yes.
this. Oh my god, it's not loading for me.
Oh my god, are you on my Wi-Fi?
No.
Wow.
Oh.
Talk to the camera for a minute. I'm gonna go shave off some of this hair.
What's your like fan base name? What? What's your fan base name?
My fan base name?
Yeah.
Wait, do I have to do the whole hey guys, welcome back to my channel again? Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi.
If you're new here, take your time to subscribe if you want to. We're about to do another video. We have a video we've done before. I'll put it up right here somewhere, maybe. If I remember. On your actual forehead. I hope you enjoyed tonight's video. Yeah, we're gonna get started today. Let's get started. Let's whoosh. Oh.
And you Okay, so what this video is gonna be about is one, we're drinking, and two, it's fucking spooky season.
She's gonna do my makeup for me because I'm a lazy and I don't feel like doing it.
She literally manifested me to come here tonight because I had to work.
Really?
Like, I'm a bartender, so usually like I get off really late, and so we was like trying to plan it on like Saturday morning. Today's Thursday, right? No, Wednesday. It's Wednesday. And yeah, and literally I went to work and I didn't have anybody come in for an hour and a half, and I told my boss and was like, all right, I'm gonna head out. And literally now I'm here. I'm really thinking about doing something spooky, like, hold on, let me see. I'm gonna try to recreate a mixture between my olds. I did this back when I was like 15. I was really bored one night and I just wanted to scare the shit out of my dad before he got home, so I did this.
Okay, there we go. Let's start.
Don't you want me all?
You want one, two.
We're gonna try to recreate my old picture from here to something like this because this is giving me like Jeff the Killer vibes.
Yeah.
I'm a huge Creepypasta fan. Like, I love it. Like Slenderman, Jeff the Killer. First, we're gonna use some primer.
Oh!
We did not show this. We have a little matching tattoo. Got my little Pongo on my arm, and then I got my little spooky ghost, and then I got my bat over here, and I got 10,000 more, but we ain't gonna talk about those. So yes, primer.
Are you hot?
No.
You're never hot in here. I'm always hot. You're never hot.
I just feel very
toasty. Me too!
less. Ooh, it's like such a cute little package.
That
like,
came with my boxy charm.
your lashes are so pretty.
Thanks.
Aw.
God bless me.
I feel like I'm gonna poke you in the eye with my nails.
No, you're fine. When I was 16, I used my fingers for a lot of stuff and bigger brushes. Now that I'm older and there's a lot more finer brushes, I literally put myself in the eye so many times.
I used to do stuff with my hands too. That's crazy.
Yeah, like back in the day, we didn't have all this like beauty blenders and stuff. We really didn't.
Slap some shit
Growing,
on
yeah, growing up when we taught ourselves how to do makeup. This is so nice, closing my eyes and just letting someone do more. You have no idea how nice this is.
I feel like I'm giving you like a massage.
Like, it's everything. You feel how that thickens up the primer after a minute after you put it on?
Yeah,
for a minute?
but
Like,
I mean, it's
tacky.
not bad.
That it helps the product stick. I'm so pretty. I love me. I don't.
Yes, self-love.
I just mean I don't get to see my skin all the time right here because it's always a beard.
Hold on, let me span your ass.
So can I spray? Can I spray me? Oh yeah. Oh.
Yes. So this is Radiant Company. Tuffle Therapy. It's Aqua
Truffle.
Truffle Therapy. What did I say? Tuffle? Yeah, Tuffle Therapy Illuminating Skin.
Tuffle?
Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist.
I can tell we're getting bubbly because we're doing we're crazy.
Have you ever done it
On a beauty sponge?
Yeah.
Do it.
Okay, I always wanted to do this. Oh my god, I never used this before.
I love it.
Every time I go to get this at the store, it's so good.
Really?
Yes.
You're the first person to ever do my makeup on my channel.
This
bitch.
I'm so what's the word I'm looking for? Fuck. What's I almost said offended, but that's not the right word.
Now we're going to use the Jeffree Star White Concealer. I don't know the name.
C0. Because just in case you might need color corrector.
Nope.
Do you need to get rid of my eyebrows?
Yes, that's what I was like, wait! We're really out here to glue his eyebrows.
Remember, I have thicker eyebrows than you.
Okay, so we're going to glue these
Let me see.
bitches down.
Okay. Let me.
Oh! Oh! You're getting them in.
My brows are hard to work with, man. Wow. What's happening? Hold on.
Okay, now we're back.
We're back.
Yes.
They're done.
Yes.
They're on. They're glued.
They're glued down. Whoa, this is super pigmented.
I know.
I never used white concealer before.
It's a weirdo makeup right there. I usually have a beard right there. So I guess we're good.
Yeah, we're alcoholics.
I don't know. I want more.
Now we're gonna take this brushy brush here, and
What shade are we doing? Black?
we're outlining what I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
It looks like a little mustache. Look. Okay, relax. Looks kind of terrifying. Close your eyes. Oh my god. Where was this? Look. No, like look at the camera and close your eye. Put your with one
Cameron,
eye.
I have to open my eyes to see.
No, like open this eye and then close this one. Other eye. There we go. Oh. So and so wants to FaceTime you. Hold on for a second. Hi.
Hello?
Hi. Look how scary you are. We're doing we're doing a video right now. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Oh,
Hello.
yeah.
Hello.
Blend for me.
Yes. All right. Now back into this.
See my yellow teeth.
Okay, I need you to go. Hello? Okay, I need you to still love me. I feel like it looks pretty creepy right now. I like how the shadow from the eyeshadow is blending in with the teeth, so it's kind of like. Wait, I know what we can do. Remember what we was gonna do with this?
Oh,
Right here.
Hold on, wait. Where at?
Like right in here.
Like that?
Yes.
You ready? Oh my god! That actually looks pretty fucking dope.
Okay, I wish I knew where the eyeliner though.
guys, thank you for watching this week's video. I really enjoyed this look. It was really fun to sit and have someone else do my makeup for a change.
It looks so terrifying with you talking, with your eyes closed.
Does it really?
Yes,
Oh
it
my
really
God.
does.
Alright guys, I have my eyes closed right now, but really they're open because I'm creepy.
Spooky time. Thank you for letting me do your makeup.
No problem. Thank you for doing
it.
it.
Took like 2 hours. I don't even know what we can call this.
I don't know either.
It's kind of like a creepy nun.
Creepypasta man.
I fucking love it. I love it. Oh my god. That looks so sick.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Alright guys, you guys have a great night and we'll see you next week. Hopefully my look next week will be great. Okay, good night guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.